Today we're gonna show you one of our favorite hotels in Sanur area, but also many of you guys used to stay in this place and we heard as you have only positive good opinions about this place. We're not gonna show you the room because we are not staying, we just came for the coffee. However, we're gonna show you around. This is Hyatt Regency in Sanur.
It's very nice, beautiful weather today in Bali, you know, like windy, blue sky. Behind me you see in Sanur, I think in the area of the Hyatt Regency, and then next to Hyatt Regency is Andas. I can see that the number of the international tourists are increasing, you know, time by time who stay here. And yeah, I think that some of our viewers also used to stay in Hyatt Regency and they always have a positive reviews regarding to the hotel. So today we come here again, you know, just wanna have a coffee and maybe pizza for Damian. He really love the pizza. We just make the video just to show you this is our daily life, and then we feel like maybe we just share one of our favorite hotels in Sanur for those of you still thinking where to go and where to stay in Sanur, because you know, maybe you never been to Sanur before, you don't know how it looks like. So yeah.
Meanwhile, this is how the beach outside of the hotel looks like. It's actually very nice. There's some people doing the kite surfing right now. So it's windy season, however, it's very nice. It's the sunset time. In Sanur is sunset time behind the hotel, so you cannot watch directly the sunset. However, some sun is still coming in, and well, it's very beautiful, I have to say, guys. Oh, that's the guy with the nice doggos, Sayang. He has like 3 big huskies. La.
Oh wow.
So big. La. Meanwhile, this is the outside of the hotel. The swimming pool situation from outside. There's brand new promenade here in Bali right now. So it's actually, you know, very nice. Always was nice, but now it's looking even better. And this is, like I said, sunset time. Quite many people everywhere around enjoying their time today. Yo, what's up? Yo, hello.
Do you make YouTube?
Yeah,
What's the name?
like this one, like on my t-shirt.
The monkeys?
Yeah.
Okay.
You subscribe, yeah?
Yes.
And make some comment, all right?
I am in the video.
Yeah, you're on the video right now, yeah? Hello, where are you from?
I'm from Germany.
Germany? All right. And how old are you?
10.
That's okay. Take care. Don't forget to write the comment, okay?
Okay, I look the video and
Yeah.
I subscribe.
Yeah, tomorrow, okay?
Yes, tomorrow.
Yeah, take care. Bye.
It's lovely, boys, you know. I think that most of European also staying in Sanur, especially in the Hyatt and also Andas area. And also, if I'm not mistaken, like last time when we walk in the area of the Puri Santrian and also on the south over there, Prama Sanur, Mercure, we also met so many European tourists. Welcome to Bali. It's very nice to see and, you know, welcoming you back. Happy to hear that, because nowadays in Europe is summer holidays, right, honey?
Yes, summer holidays right now. And school holidays as well.
Oh, nice.
Up to 1st of September in most of the countries. So yeah, guys, this is the name of my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can do it now. The kids from Germany gonna do it, so you can do it too. That's also a little support for me.
So one thing that I realized that why people really like to have a holiday here, you see, when people enjoying their time on the beach, I think that not much sellers, you know, like trying to sell you something like massage, trying to sell you, I don't know, like if you compare with Kuta, you know, whenever you just sit on the beach and people already, you know, trying to sell you something, including mushroom and blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. But here you just enjoying your time by the beach, and yeah, it's so relaxing.
Meanwhile, there's the flight flying out of Bali. Bye-bye. And see you next time. I think Asia.
So one thing that I really like also, you know, going to Sanur, I can see that so many flights, you know, aeroplane fly over this area because very close to the airport. And you know, when I was a small kid, I always had imagination that a big chocolate ice cream and money will come, you know, down from the aeroplane, and then whenever I saw the aeroplane, I will always be like, bye bye, give me chocolate. And that's my imagination from my small kid, and until now I still can believe like that.
Little bit unbelievable story, but we in Europe, especially if some of you guys must confirm that, especially the kids during the Christmas believing as the Santa Claus is flying with his reindeers and dropping the presents and the chocolate and drinking cookies with milk at night, something like that. At least I don't remember, that was a long time when I was believing that. However, so it makes sense. Actually, it would be very beautiful if the planes will drop you money and chocolate. I wish a lot come.
You know, guys, when I walk here, walk by the swimming pool, I remember our first few first videos that we made here in the, Hyatt Regency Hotel. I think that we, at the time, it was the pandemic where the beach was closed and we just came here only having a coffee and we can enjoy the hotel facilities like swimming, in the pool like freely, But now, when I see like some tourists already, I think many tourists already, international tourists and local domestic tourists also enjoying their time here. Wow. But I can say Bali is back, that even like it's not as mass tourism as before, but looking at the sign of this means like economy is slowly bouncing back.
As Winnie said, that's actually true, and I remember it was one day when we were like 3 hours maybe, and we were only one person in the swimming pool. That was like, I mean, I don't even want to remind these things, but it was pretty sad times in Bali right now. You can check our really very first videos from the beginning, like a first maybe 10 vlogs, yeah?
Yeah, and then in the restaurant we only see, few, like staff working because of most of the staff, lost their job, but seeing like this situation, I feel like very optimistic.
Definitely much better. Anyways, one of the best pizza in Bali actually is in this hotel. It's really highly recommended. You can come and enjoy by yourself. Meanwhile, you have a view like this one, which is also very nice, and Zayang enjoying after work.
And very nice breeze, very fresh.